Hello friends, so today we will solve a cubic equation x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0, and we have to find the sum of the sixth power of three roots, x1 raised to the power 6 plus x2 raised to the power 6 plus x3 raised to the power 6. So today I will solve this cubic equation by introducing Vieta's theorem. Okay, so general form of a cubic equation is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. If I have a cubic equation and I will apply here Vieta's theorem, so we can write here three relationships. That sum of three roots x1 plus x2 plus x3 will be equal to minus b divided by a, and x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x3 x1 is equal to c divided by a. And the third relation is the product of three roots will be equal to negative of d divided by a. Okay, now our given equation is x cube minus x minus 1. X cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. If I will compare it with general form, so it will be x cube plus 0x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. So here I have a is 1, b is 0, c is negative 1 and d is also negative 1. So when I will substitute these values here to find these relations, because we will use these relations further in the question. So negative b divided by a, b is 0, so it means sum of the roots will be equal to 0. And here x1 x2 plus x2 x3 plus x1 x3 is equal to c divided by a. So here c is negative 1 and a is 1, so negative 1 divided by 1 will be equal to negative 1. And product of the roots is negative d divided by a, and d is negative 1, so negative times negative will be 1. So we have a given equation is x cube minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. I can write it as x cube is equal to x plus 1. Here you can see that I have to find x raised to the power 6. So I will apply square on both sides. So it will become x raised to the power 6 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. So x1, x2 and x3 are the roots of this given equation. So I will write it as x1 raised to the power 6 is equal to x1 square plus 2x1 plus 1. Similarly, x2 raised to the power 6 is equal to x2 square plus 2x2 plus 1. And x3 raised to the power 6 is equal to x3 square plus 2x3 plus 1. Okay, now to find this expression, I will add all these three equations. So it will become x1 raised to the power 6 plus x2 raised to the power 6 plus x3 raised to the power 6 is equal to, it will be x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square, and it is 2 times x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So here I have a value of x1 plus x2 plus x3 which I have already found from here, which is 0. So it means this factor will be 0. But I have not a value of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square. So how can we find the value of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square? If I will apply x1 plus x2 plus x3 and its square, so from here it will become x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus 2 times x1 x2 plus x2 x3 and x1 x3. Okay, now I will substitute here values which are given. So I have here x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 0. x1 x2 plus x2 x3 x1 x3 is equal to negative 1. So just substitute here. x1 plus x2 plus x3 is 0. So it will be 0 is equal to x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus 2 times negative 1. So the value of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square will be equal to this negative 2, and it will change its position from equal side, so it will be equal to 2. Okay, now here we have a value of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square. So from here x1 raised to the power 6 plus x2 raised to the power 6 plus x3 raised to the power 6 will be equal to 2 plus this vector is 0, so 2 times 0 will be 0 plus 3. So I have found x1 raised to the power 6 plus x2 raised to the power 6 plus x3 raised to the power 6 is equal to 5. Okay, so this is our final solution. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do comment and share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye-bye.